You know, one of my favorite sandwiches of all time is a BLT. This is a little bit like a brioche, but it's lighter. I've got some nice heirloom tomatoes. These are Brandywine tomatoes. We're stepping it up a little bit with avocado and a soft shell crab. I've got some seasoned flour here. I'm going to dip the crab in the seasoned flour. All right, so after I dip it in the seasoned flour, I let it soak for a minute in the milk and soften up the flour, and that way more flour sticks to it. It makes a delicious crunchy coating. And I'm going to go right in 350-degree grease with this. I'm going to say a crab that size is going to take about 4 minutes to cook, and I'm going to turn it once during the cooking process. All right, so that side's cooked for about 2 minutes. I'm going to ease it over in the grease. And we're going to go about another 2 minutes on this side. And the doneness is really a combination of time and color on the breading. What we're looking for is nice and crispy. But if you've ever cooked one and then when you cut it in half it's not quite done, you really don't want that. But you also don't want to cook it until it's cooked to death either. All right, we are done. And now it's time to assemble our sandwich. So we got everything we need here. We got lettuce, tomato, bacon, avocado, blue plate mayonnaise, our little Sally Lunn rolls, and our fried soft shell crab. So I'm going to cut this roll right down the middle. This is actually a little bit small for the sandwich we're going to put together, but that's okay. It's all right to have everything hanging off the sandwich. I would say you're going to need several napkins to eat this sandwich. All right. A nice big slice of ripe tomato. I mean, that's the first thing hanging off of there. Let's put some lettuce on this side and some avocado and some bacon. Yep, we cooked it correctly. And I've got a little pick here just to keep this thing together because that would be the only way it's gonna stay. And there we have it. A BLT with soft shell crab on Sally Lunn rolls. And this is not something we have in the restaurant, but it is in my cookbook, like so many other recipes that we've done over the years on the Big Fish.
GW Finn's has dinner items so fresh they print a new menu daily. Give them a call and tell them CT said to give you the best seat in the house.